Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll talk about how we can leverage ChatGPT or AI tools while building Power BI dashboards. So let's get started. So as we all know, how the advent and the vast improvement in the ChatGPT or AI models has changed our life drastically, right? So on building on top of it, we want to explore how we can leverage ChatGPT when we are building a dashboard from scratch, right? How we can give our prompt to ChatGPT and what all we can extract from it so that we can build on top of it rather than doing a lot of stuff in between, right? Like the designing phase, if ChatGPT can help us with it, if we have some input, the KPIs that we want to measure, how we can leverage ChatGPT in streamlining our process, get the output from it, and build on top of it so that we can save our time as well as we'll get output as well as we'll get the input which will help us in building a dashboard which is very streamlined and up to the industry standards, right? Okay, so let's get into it. Let's consider one use case and we'll try to understand how ChatGPT give us the output from it. So let's say we have a one FMCG client who is looking out for building a dashboard to manage his inventory of all the products which he has. Right, he want to track how many units he has in the inventory, how many units are being sold throughout month, throughout year, right? And tracking at different level, how to manage the inventory in coming days, right? So he want to plot a line chart showing the inventory on weekly basis, monthly basis, the products which are available, the time frame at which you can say that I have to replenish my stocks, right? Something of that sort, right? So we have built one prompt for ChatGPT. We'll give it we'll give it to it and let's see how it reacts. Right? Let me copy it from the notepad that I have built the use case. I will read it to you. Let me paste it here. So the prompt goes, I want to build inventory monitoring dashboard for FMCG client where they want to track number of units sold, number of units remaining in daily, weekly and monthly basis. They also want to have total number of units remaining as KPIs and units required to bring to maintain the inventory in KPI, right? We can use line chart, bar chart, whatever visual to convey the story. Can you please help me with Power BI dashboard layout, which can be leveraged to address this business use case? So we have broken down our requirement as small as possible, right? So we'll now give this input to ChatGPT. Let's see how he reacts, what all his output is. I'll just press enter. So this goes as a prompt to it. He is now thinking and give us some of the inputs which we want. Yeah, so this is the output he has given. So here is the dashboard layer tailored from FMCG inventory monitoring use case, focusing on units sold. These are the KPIs. He summarized units sold, units remaining, daily and weekly, monthly trends, KPIs, units remaining, replenishment needs. Right? These KPIs we are tracking at this level. Yeah. If you go down, you'll see he has created one layout for us, right? So the dashboard header could go FMCG inventory monitoring dashboard. That's a good input. Slicers or filter that we can use product categories, SKU, reason name, warehouse, state and range selector. This all can go on the top. KPIs, top four row cards, four KPIs that we can use, total units remaining, units to replenish, total units sold, record, reorder, alert count. We can set up number of SKUs below some threshold that he will generate an alert to us. That's a good input that we got from here. This will help us live tracking. Let's suppose you have a SKU of like 100 units with you, but you think like the moment it goes 20, you want an alert so that you can replenish it and make it 100 again. So you can set up alert there. This is a good input. Next, we have trend analysis section, middle panel, the trend line chart, x-axis date, y-axis units sold, and filters and regions. Yeah. This line chart can help you understand how many units are being sold on daily basis for different regions. Filters can drive you and give you that information.